Hi everybody, I'm HondaPro Jason, and this is my 2017 Honda Civic Type R that I had custom painted Phoenix Yellow. Come check it out. I'm just gonna roll it about 10 miles an hour and just nail it. Usually first here it'll spin the tires for sure. Let's see what happens here. Wait 1 second here. I'm a believer. Usually I'm like, oh, I want to chirp second, chirp third, but this one spun second, spun third, but after the Honda traction control, it just grabs and grabs and grabs and goes. That was pretty awesome. That was pretty awesome. I bought the car about 1.5 years ago, and the car was crystal black pearl. I had the entire car taken apart, every nut, every fastener, every piece of glass. The engine came out, the interior came out, and I had Kirk's Custom out in Missouri repaint the entire car Phoenix Yellow, which is an old Type R color. I really wanted the car to stand out. If that wasn't enough, I did a whole bunch of other little things to it. Starting here in the front, I had part of the grille cut out because this grille was solid on one side and had about 5 or 6 cutouts on this side for the horn. I didn't really care for that too much. I wanted to look solid all the way across. If you look down at the very bottom on this little piece here, I took out the red pinstriping. I didn't think the red and the yellow would go really good together right there. Now the whole car has been already protected, ceramic coated, and I have PPF on the very front, which is a plastic coating, just protect against some of the rocks and chips because I do drive this car an awful lot. And the roof, I actually had the old roof cut off the car and a new carbon fiber dry roof put on. It saved a little bit of weight, but it sure looks a lot cooler. A little keyhole cap just to make things look a little slick on the side. And then my wheels. I love my Titan 7 wheels. They really set off the car. And I went with 19-inch with Yokohama tires versus the bigger 20-inch, a little bit more meat on the ground. And everything was taken care of. Every sticker that I had removed for paint, I replaced. I even went as far as replacing the door jamb sticker inside here with something a little bit special because I wanted to make it my car. So I changed the color code to Y56, which is the Phoenix Yellow color code, and I put my initials in there just for a bit of fun. Coming around to the back, up top I added a Mugen spoiler. I kept the original spoiler back here, but I did remove the wiper here, just to make it look a little bit more even. VTEC turbo sticker from Canada. Of course, you gotta have your Mugen license plate frame. Down here in the back, you guys are gonna see something very interesting. If you notice the stock Type R, this is all one solid piece with a little fake sensor in it. Cut it out, it is a little bit more functional, but I think it looks much, much better. And now, under the hood. The custom paint, all the little extras and the wheels and the roof, they're all really nice, but none of it really means much if the car can't go anywhere. So I added some go fast parts. Check this out. Underneath the hood here, I have a downpipe from Dream Automotive. I have a heat shield for the turbo from USR, a beautiful E-Venturi intake, all carbon fiber inside and out, and a couple other little things I added. These panels here come from Europe. They just kind of clean up the interior a little bit. They're actually from Honda Civics, standard from the factory. We just never got them in the US. And then I painted this rain channel black just so everything matches. Now what controls all this stuff? My Hondata Flash Pro. This is one of my favorite things in the car, and it's the best bang for the buck I think I did. It's a little computer module that you plug into the car and you download their software. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna increase turbo boost, it's gonna change some of the timing, and it's gonna give you a lot more power and make the car run a lot better. I actually get a little better gas mileage, and it's a lot more fun. The only problem I had for a while was traction. Adding more power, it's tough to keep the tires from spinning. So what I would do is I would turn off my traction, and then the tires would just spin. So I turned my traction back on, the Honda VSA traction, and then as soon as I gave it too much gas, it would slow down the car, it would regain some traction, it would speed up again. Kind of a pain in the butt. So Hondata finally released their software for traction control, and it is a whole nother world. Completely changes it, and now the car is exactly how I want it. Now let's check out the inside. There's a couple of pieces inside there I made that make the drive a little bit more comfortable. Starting with my suede steering wheel. There's a matching suede shifter boot. And here, that Hondata control I was talking about, it's just a little Flash Pro right here. Nice and easy and convenient. I call the car Experiment 891. The display number is 891, and it's an experiment. I mean, I'm always trying new things to check things out and see how I like them. So guys, as always, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm the HondaPro, and now you're in the know.